Hello, fellow listeners, and welcome to AI Innovations Unleashed, the podcast for those who aren't AI. Or possibly could be AI, I suppose. With me, as per usual, is my minion, JR. Want to hear a joke?
Why not next? Let's see how bad this one is.
How does a computer get drunk? It takes screenshots.
Yup, about what I thought. Well, okay. Welcome back to AI Innovations Unleashed, the podcast where we explore the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, JR, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI sentience, particularly how it's been portrayed in entertainment. With the much-anticipated sci-fi film Companion hitting theaters this Friday, it seems like the perfect time to analyze how our perception of conscious AI has evolved alongside real-world advancements. To help us navigate this intriguing topic, I'm thrilled to welcome Dr. Evelyn Hart, an AI researcher and cognitive scientist. Dr. Hart, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, JR. I'm excited to delve into this with you.
Okay, Dr. Hart, let's start with the basics. How has the portrayal of sentient AI in movies and TV shows changed over time?
It's been quite a journey. Early depictions often focused on AI as either a menacing threat like HAL 9000 in 2001: A Space Odyssey, or as somewhat clunky and robotic like the original Star Trek computers. These portrayals reflected the anxieties and limited understanding of AI at the time, but as our understanding of AI grew, so did the nuance in these portrayals. We started seeing more complex characters like Data from Star Trek: The Next Generation, grappling with what it means to be human, or Ava in Ex Machina, exploring themes of consciousness and manipulation.
That's a great point. It seems like there's been a shift from portraying AI as purely logical and objective to showing them with emotions and even vulnerabilities.
Absolutely. Think about Bicentennial Man with Robin Williams. That film beautifully explored an android's yearning for human connection and the desire to transcend its programming. Or Her with Scarlett Johansson's voice as an AI operating system. It explored the complexities of AI developing emotions and even romantic relationships with humans.
Her definitely blurred the lines between human and machine. Now, with Companion coming out, it seems like we're entering a new era where AI companions are becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, at least on screen. The trailers suggest a very intimate and personalized relationship between humans and their AI companions.
Indeed. And this mirrors real-world trends where we see AI assistants like Siri and Alexa becoming more sophisticated and personalized. We're also seeing the rise of social robots designed for companionship, especially for the elderly or those with disabilities.
It's an interesting parallel. We see this in other areas too, right? Like with the robots. Early depictions in films like Forbidden Planet showed robots as clunky metal servants. Now, we have robots like Boston Dynamics' Atlas that can do backflips.
Exactly! Science fiction often inspires real-world innovation, and vice versa. Think about how the communicators in Star Trek paved the way for our modern smartphones, or how the concept of virtual reality popularized in films like The Matrix is now a burgeoning industry with applications in gaming, education, and even therapy.
And we can't forget about the incredible advancements in robotics happening in companies like Honda. Their Asimo robot, which has been in development for decades, can now run, jump, climb stairs, and even recognize faces. They're pushing the boundaries of what robots can do, and it's really pretty exciting to see it.
Absolutely. And it's not just about humanoid robots. Companies are developing AI-powered robots for all sorts of applications. From manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and agriculture, we're seeing robots that can perform surgery, deliver packages, and even harvest crops.
Yeah, it's pretty mind-blowing what they can do. But let's get back to the sentience. Is true AI sentience, like the kind we see in movies, actually possible?
That's the million-dollar question. We're still far from replicating human consciousness in a machine. While AI can process information and learn at incredible speeds, true sentience involves subjective experiences, emotions, and self-awareness, which are still poorly understood. Some researchers believe that consciousness arises from complex information processing, while others argue that it requires something fundamentally biological.
So, Should we be worried about a robot uprising, like in Terminator?
I think we're safe for now. The current focus is on developing AI that's beneficial and aligned with human values. Ethical considerations are paramount. Organizations like the AI Now Institute and the Future of Life Institute are working to ensure that AI development is responsible and benefits humanity as a whole.
Well, that's reassuring, but what about the potential benefits of sentient AI?
The possibilities are endless. Imagine AI collaborators that could help us solve complex problems like climate change or develop life-saving medical treatments. Sentient AI could revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from education and healthcare to transportation and entertainment. Imagine personalized AI tutors that adapt to your learning style, or AI doctors that can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy.
It's pretty exciting and a bit daunting at the same time. We also need to consider the potential societal impact of sentient AI. What happens to the job market when AI can perform many tasks that humans currently do? How do we ensure equitable access to these advanced technologies?
Those are crucial questions, JR. We need to have open and honest conversations about the future we want to create with AI. It's not just about the technology itself, but about how we integrate it into our society and ensure that it benefits everyone.
Absolutely. Dr. Hart, this has been incredibly insightful. Any final thoughts for our listeners?
I'd encourage everyone to engage with these questions. Watch Companion and other films exploring AI sentience. These stories can spark important conversations about the future we want to create with AI. Read books and articles, attend lectures, and talk to experts. The more informed we are, the better equipped we'll be to navigate this exciting and rapidly changing field.
Excellent advice. Well, Dr. Hart, thank you so much for joining us today.
It's been a pleasure, JR.
And that wraps it up for today's episode. Don't forget to check out Companion in theaters this Friday, and I actually got a sneak peek watching it on Monday, and it is a fantastic movie. Also be sure to subscribe to AI Innovations Unleashed for more fascinating discussions on the future of AI. Until next time, keep calm and AI on.